Hello, beautiful, and welcome here to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeannie. I'm so glad you decided to stop by, and I sincerely hope by the end of the video, you'll decide to stick around for a while. I have not been posting as much as I would like to. Things have been crazy. I told you guys in a recent video that I had some major life updates happening, and I would tell you about them just as soon as I had all of the information. And we will talk about all of those things. I've got a lot going on, but I'm just really happy to be here. If you're returning, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad you are back. And I'm just glad to be sitting down. I worked this morning. I'm like literally in my comfy clothes. I got my Tom Petty t-shirt on. I got my candles lit. I got a little glass of Chardonnay. I'm typically a red wine girl, but I do like my white wines too. I don't discriminate. Wine is wine. So the babies are taking a nap, and we're going to get into my BoxyCharm base box for the month of September. Now, this is my paid for box. I have already uploaded my PR version, which it is a different variation. And I've already uploaded my PR Luxe box. If you're interested and you missed those videos, I also did a try-on. Did I do a try-on video? I think I did. I think I did a try-on video of all of the Luxe products. I feel like I did. Whatever. Any prior BoxyCharm videos from this month will be linked in the description box below in case you missed them and you're curious and you want to check them out. Now, this is the box that I pay for. I still don't have my paid for premium. BoxyCharm shipping is like off whack lately. I still have things that I ordered from the flash sale on the 1st of August that I don't have, and a ton of stuff from the Mega Drop Shop that I ordered that I don't have, but I guess they'll get here when they get here. I'm just really surprised I don't have my premium box. Usually my paid for base box will come way later in the month, but my paid for premium will come somewhere along the lines of like when my PR boxes arrive. So very early in the month, but that's neither here nor there. We're going to get into what I got. So the base box, you get 5 full-size products. You get to customize one, and I did get to customize this box because, again, it is my paid-for box. We also get a theme card every month, and this month is Strut Your Runway. And then on the flip side, we have all of the products in our box. We've got all our products, but I do need that card because I want to look at the retail values. Sorry, give me a second. All right, we got it. Along with a little bit of information about each product and also the retail value as well. So when it came to the choice items for this month, there was the Wander Beauty On The Glow Illuminating Blush Stick Duos. I already have 2 of those in my collection. I have the Petal Pink and the Berry Whisper, which I don't think the Berry Whisper was one of the colors that were up for grabs. Either way, I still have 2 of them already. I think they're great. It's a really long-lasting formula. The highlight is really beautiful. It's very nice in terms of not like over texturizing the area where you're applying it. So I think it's a really great product, but I just didn't really see the need to pick a 3rd one. I've got 2. I like them. So I went ahead with the Avant Skincare product. Do I think that this brand is retardedly overpriced? Yeah, I do. But I still like some good skincare, and I still have enjoyed the products that I have tried from the brand. I just think that $134 for, what is that, 50 milliliters, 1.69 fluid ounces is a bit much. However, I did choose it because I already had 2 of the other ones. Anyhow, so it says that it's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. It retails for $134. It says it's a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use on the face and targeted eye area. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, that works to deeply nourish the skin. It also combines signature ingredients to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. So that actually sounds really, really nice. I have tried a few things from the brand that like I picked up in BoxyCharm sales. One of them was like the glycolic exfoliator, and I ended up purchasing a second one when mine ran out. And there was a couple other ones, maybe like an eye cream or like some other things that I just picked up on the sale for extremely cheap. Now, would I ever pay full retail price for this? No, and maybe if I was rich and money didn't matter, but to me, money matters. So no, I would never pay full price. But when we're talking about the product itself, I think it's nice. And if I can get it in a BoxyCharm, then why not? So moving right along, I was really, really hoping that I would get this, and I did. I'm super excited about it. This is the Ace Beauté Violet Sage eyeshadow palette. It retails for $32. I was thinking, you know, that I would get it in my PR box because I saw some of the boxes containing this, but I did not. So I'm like, oh man, I really hope that I got it in my paid for box, but just in case I don't, I better order on the sale. And of course I did, but that's okay. I'm going to send it to a good friend of mine, Laura the Bargain Hunter, here on YouTube. As soon as mine that I ordered on the sale comes in, I will just send it to her because she wanted to buy it and couldn't because it was sold out super quick. But here's a look at the palette. Really, really pretty colors. And I do feel like seeing it in picture online really doesn't do it justice to how pretty it is in real life. As far as the formula on Ace Beauté, I really, really enjoy the formula. In fact, one day I'll show you guys like my little setup here, but right in front of me, I keep a little case where like I keep my most used eyeshadow palettes at that time, and I do switch them out from time to time when I get a new one that I love, and then there's one that I haven't been using as much. I'll switch them out, but I do have this Falling For You palette by Ace Beauté, which also came from BoxyCharm last year. In my thing, you can see there, I don't know if like you guys will be able to tell, but there's like a huge dent in that color. I use it with other palettes. I use it with the orange and the green a lot. That is a look I do a lot. It's just a really pretty palette. The color payoff is great. I really, really like the formulation on here. So I'm assuming and hoping that it will be the same formulation on this palette. And we'll definitely try it out here on the channel together. I'm just really excited to have gotten it and to get a chance to play with it. And we will definitely do just that very soon. Next, from Ciate London, I got the Bamboo Bronzer. This retails for $25. It says it's an oil controlling formula that's infused with botanical ingredients, including bamboo powder for a shine-free, sun-kissed finish. It says it's super lightweight. It can be swept across the cheekbones for a subtle glow or built up to contour and chisel your features. So it's got the traditional Ciate London packaging there. Oh, it's cute. It's got little stars on it. You know, I think I might have this in my collection. I feel like I do. I hope I don't, but I might. Yeah, I'll check and see if this is something that, no, you want to know what? Now I remembered. It's like a little popcorn looking highlighter in this package from Ciate London that I have. And that thing is like so crazy that I hardly ever use it. I used it once and I was like, whoa. And I don't think I've used it since because it was just a little too blinding for me. I like a good highlight, but for like day to day, I like something a lot more subtle. Like today I have on a Natasha Denona highlight and it's just a little bit more subtle for everyday wear. But I do typically enjoy products from Ciate London. Just a bronzer is not my favorite part of makeup, so it's not like super exciting for me to receive, but we'll definitely give it a try. Moving right along. Now, I don't even know how this brand is pronounced. Is it Somme Institute, or Some Institute? Anyhow, it's their Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. It retails for $65, so quite a price tag on that. What are the claims on this? It says, gently exfoliate and treat your skin. My eyes are starting to lose focus because I've been up since the butt crack of dawn. Taking it into a whole new level. Transport, powered by MDT5, features saturated soft cotton pads designed to help improve skin tone, texture, clarity, and an 8% buffered AHA to gently exfoliate dead skin cells on the surface. That's cool and great, but and don't get me wrong, I like to exfoliate about once a week. I'll do a good exfoliate. It's not something that I do every day. And the one worry that I have about products like this, about these exfoliating pads, is a lot of times they end up drying me out. So I'm not even gonna open it. It seemed like it was a little loose, the cap, when I opened it, but I tightened it back up. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not 100% sure this is something that I really want to keep. I might put it in a giveaway coming up. I might gift it to a friend. I do like to keep, you know, kind of like higher ticket priced nice items to like throw in a gift bag if I have a family or friend's birthday that I completely waited till the last minute, and I can like go into my drawer of goodies and just make a little gift basket. That's always cool. Kind of saves me sometimes. And I'm afraid that I'll use one, it'll dry me out, and then they'll end up going to waste. So I just need to think about it. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with that. And then last but not least, I did get the tint, or TYNT Phantom Liner. It retails for $18. I also got this in my PR variation. So this is something that I'll just keep in the box, toss into my giveaway that is coming up when I hit 1,500 subscribers. It's going to be massive. It's either going to be 2 or 3 winners because it's just huge. And I'm really, really excited for that. And it's coming up just as soon as I hit that number. And we're getting closer. So anyhow, when I do the try on for my PR box, I'll do a video where like I try all of those products out. This week has just been killer for me, you guys. I'm going to I'll be filming a video tomorrow. I picked up the new Natasha Denona Dreams palette. I know there's already 200 reviews on YouTube, and I'm not, you know, so it's like not anything like super exciting for you guys, but I'm really excited to try it. I have been loving the Zendo palette. It's what I have on my eyes today. I did work, so I feel like it's faded out a little bit, but I have been using that Zendo palette almost on a daily basis, and I can't wait to get into the My Dreams palette. And I have so much to tell you guys. So much has happened. Major life events are going down. I'm not going to do it on a BoxyCharm video. I'm going to do it on tell you guys everything that's going on a more chill, where we're like getting ready together, trying out some products. So I've got so much to tell you guys tomorrow when I film with that palette. I also put in an order at Pat McGrath Labs that came in. Got some things to play with there. And then also I put in a $105 order at this, is it called Cleandon? Or like, I need to look. I can't remember what the brand is called, but it's like an indie brand out of Canada that has these amazing multi-chrome shadows. They just released some more for their stained glass collection, so that might make you understand who I'm talking about if you have any idea what I'm talking about. But I just can't think of like how, it's a name that I'm not familiar with yet. But I placed an order for some multi-chrome shadows. Those are on the way. I don't know how long shipping is going to take because it's coming from Canada and I'm in Michigan. So I'm super excited. I'll definitely be on here with that. And I've got a lot to tell you guys, and I can't wait. But that's not for this video. That will be for tomorrow's video. Definitely make sure you tune in when you see that video go up if you're curious on some major life events. And different things that have happened. So I can't wait to share everything with you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay beautiful. Bye.